Mali. No. It's okay. Practice muna. Again, last one. Practice. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. Ha, he, Paulit-ulit lang yan. So this time, closer. So final round. Ang magkamali out. 1,000 pesos na guys. Malaki yung papel nito. So good luck. Ready! Let's go. Closer. Sige, closer guys. Closer. One down. Apat na lang. Ha, he. Ready, go. Ready, closer guys. Closer. Girls. Nakikita. 1,000 pesos. Good luck. Ready, go. Championship round guys. Again, for 1,000 pesos worth of grocery package, good luck ninyo mga. And by the way, para wala nang tanong kung sino man nanalo, nakalimutan ko, sa Pure Gold yung makiklaim yung grocery package nyo. Bago pumunta ng Pure Gold, magdala ng isang valid ID. Kung walang valid ID, pumunta kayo sa malapit na barangay, magpagawa kayo ng barangay certificate. Klaro? Ha! Championship round. For the win, ready? Go! Double time guys. Ready, double time. Ready, go! Ma'am, wait.